Hello everyone, I am Jagdish and today I will demonstrate my project Rising Waters, a machine learning based flood prediction system. The application predicts flood risk using rainfall data through a simple web interface. In this section, I imported the required Python libraries. Pandas is used for data handling, NumPy for numerical operations, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization, and Scikit-learn for data preprocessing, model training, and evaluation. I loaded the dataset, prediction dataset, into a Pandas data frame. This dataset contains rainfall related features and corresponding flood predictions. Next, I examine the dataset by clicking the first few records, data types, summary, statistics, and missing values. This helps ensure the dataset is clean before training. In this step, I separate the input features and target variables. If required, some missing values are handled and data is prepared for model training. The dataset is divided into training and testing data. The training data is used to build the model, while the testing data is used to evaluate its performance. Here I train the machine learning model using the training dataset. The model learns the relationship between rain values and flood occurrence. After training, I evaluate the model using the test data. Metrics such as accuracy help measure how well the model performs on unseen data. Finally, I trained model and saved as a pickle file. After successfully training and saving the model, I integrated it into Flask web application. The application loads the saved model, accepts rainfall values from the user, and displays the predicted output. This is my Flask web application. This is the project structure. It contains all trained machine learning model applications, source code, HTML templates, static files, dataset, and required dependency files. The project is organized in a modular way, making it easy to understand and maintain. This is our source code. Here is the main Flask application. It loads the trained machine learning model, accepts rainfall values entered by users, processes the input, predicts the flood risk, and returns the result to the web page. These are our HTML files. This is the user interface where user enters rainfall information. The form collects annual rainfall and seasonal rainfall values before sending them to the Flash backend. This is the GitHub repository for the project. It contains the complete source code, project documentation, README file, and all necessary files required to run the application. This is the Rising Waters homepage. The interface is simple and allows user to enter rainfall data for prediction. Now I am entering sample rainfall values. Like this, the user may enter their values to predict. Here it shows the high flood risk detected. The application sends the input data to the trained machine learning model. The model analyzes the rainfall pattern and predicts the flood risk. The prediction result is displayed immediately on the screen. In conclusion, Rising Waters is a machine learning based flood prediction system that provides quick and reliable flood risk predictions using rainfall data. It demonstrates the practical use of machine learning and web technologies. And I also used my render for the deployment of the web application, and multiple users can also use this. There will be no problem in web application. Thank you for watching my project demonstration.